Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, home design and renovation coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. It's a gorgeous day, a bit hot, so I might be a little glistening, but that's okay. I'm out here for the good lighting. Anyway, so today I'm here to talk to you about open floor plans, specifically in regards to kitchens. Are you a fan? Do you like having your kitchen space open to your living room, dining room, the activity when you have guests or family just doing their thing in the other spaces? Well, there's different ways to execute this. People have a debate about it, mostly in terms of dishes, believe it or not. So some people really just can't stand having those dishes exposed. It feels like pressure. It feels like something that really kind of taints their experience with entertaining and hanging out with their guests. Me personally, I really like an open kitchen. I don't feel like being locked up in a different room and not being able to be a part of everyone's activity. But I also like having my space defined. So how do you do that? How do you execute an open kitchen plan? Well, let's start with flooring. It's really smart to have the same flooring in your kitchen expand out into the other areas, whether that's a dining room, living room, whatever other space that might be. So that creates a sense of continuity and it really brings everything together. Ways to define those spaces. So sometimes that comes from an island and a countertop extending out, and so you get a visual line that defines the kitchen from those other spaces. That's pretty typical. Lighting is another way. Color is another way. And also to define those open areas outside of the kitchen, sometimes that comes not just from furniture, but from rugs. Rugs are a really cool way to actually define a little space and still keep that really wide open area. So let me know in the comments if you are a fan of open kitchens, what parts you like, what parts you don't like, what parts you're worried about. As always, you can find more information about me on CamianLarson.com. I'd love it if you'd visit my site and tell your friends about it. And then also, please comment here, share the video, anything you can think of to get the word out. I appreciate it. All right, hope you all are having a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.